In a small farm called Alhambra located in Namibia, there was a Herero woman called Larissa. She was a farmer. She loved farming. She liked to milking a cow. She brought a teapot to make tea. The water boil and she make tea. She drink tea with dancing and happiness. She collect a cow dung to build a house. She start to put on the cow dung on the house. She freshing water with happiness. She put the water on her head and walking happy. Then she washed clothes by hand. Then she finished washing clothes. Now she hang them. She eating porridge with happiness.
Then her husband helping her to cut the meat.
She start cooking the meat. She finished cooking the meat now. She put the meat on the plate. She start eating the meat with happiness. She baking a bread with happiness. She drinking Omer. She set up and started sewing a dress. She listening to the radio dancing, happy and joy.
Then her husband helping her to cut the wood.
It start raining. She was so happy and dancing. Then she was praying. After she was praying, she read the Bible. Then she lay down under the tree for fresh air.